What's going on, guys? I just got something really exciting in the mail. Not sure if you've been following 034, especially if you have a B9, but they haven't put anything out recently until just about now. So they put this guy out and I blindly just bought it because I ran out of stuff to get for the B9, make it a little bit more exciting. So I'm gonna open this up. Obviously I can't do it with one hand while I videotape, so I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what's inside. All right. So this is their new carbon fiber air scoop for the B9 platform. My understanding is it's going to fit both the A4s and 5s and all roads, as well as the Q5s. I may be wrong, so please don't hold me to it. But pretty straightforward. This is not a DIY by any means. I'm going to still show you the installation on it. But I mean, it's about as straightforward as you get. You just replace the factory scoop, same spots, same hardware, even though this came with it, so I'll figure out what this does. I'm assuming this may be a replacement hardware, but you know, I could probably reuse the factory hardware. And the biggest difference, other than being a carbon fiber piece, which is like super high gloss, really nice. I don't know if you guys caught their live today. Javad said that this is the same clear coat. They apply a couple of layers of it as they would on car paint, so it maintains the gloss and the shine. I mean, it's a beautiful piece. They got their logo here. Probably not going to see that, honestly. I can't imagine this being visible from the front or the grille. And then the back of it's still pretty clean. You know, they kept the lines neat. There's nothing stands out in the way of, you know, bad quality. But this is the side that's not going to be seen anyways. And yeah, so really excited to install this and see if you can even see it in the car or not. But my best guess is it looks a little taller than the factory air scoop, so I would imagine it's going to ram a little bit more of a volume of air into the intake. Hopefully makes a difference, you know, especially with cooling, I don't know, and feeding the engine some more air, especially on a hot track day in California. So who knows? We'll see. We might not even notice the difference. It might be really tiny. It might be something that you just don't notice in the performance of the car. But I am excited to just put this on and have one more B9 component in the car, and you know, another piece of carbon fiber that you probably can't see from outside. But hey, it's lighter weight. I mean, it's not a small item, but it's not a big item either. Weighs next to nothing, you know. So let's take a look and see how it installs. I mean, it's going to be pretty quick. So we'll start off by popping the hood first, and then we'll go ahead and start removing the shield right over the radiator and go from there. Okay, so you'll want to take this guy off first. Okay, there's a little button there. Just kind of press hard against it and it should come right off. Not sure why it's not cooperating. There we go. And then this guy just slides and pops right off. Just kind of like that. Right, and then we're going to replace that man right there. A couple of bolts, one here and one here. So I ended up reusing the same hardware as what came with the car instead of the hardware that 034 provided, because I think it's a little easier to just reuse it and save the other one for a rainy day. But obviously, since I was born without the ability to multitask, I couldn't just install and film at the same time. So I just want to show you guys something. You have to be pretty careful when you're positioning this guy because it may not sit properly the first time around. And one of the biggest obstacles I ran into, and I'm not sure if I can get it in here, but right there, there's this little guy right here that blocks you from being able to position it properly. So just make sure that you route it around it before you start forcing the parts to sit against the bolt so you can tighten it. And all you need is a T25 for the factory bolts anyways, and they come off pretty easily. They go back in pretty easily. You just got to make sure it's aligned. And check this out, look at how much further out it comes down. And to answer a couple of questions a couple of you guys asked me, this doesn't look like it might clear the tallest available intercooler, and mine's one of the shorter ones from ECS, but I would guess maybe another 4 inches taller than ECS. You should be fine. Anything more than that, probably a good idea to take some measurements and just make sure it fits before you potentially try to force the carbon fiber scoop over it. But otherwise, I mean, the quality is great. Looks great. You know, you're never gonna see it because that guy's gonna go over it, and if anybody's looking and knows what to look for, you'll be able to see it from the front. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate the support. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments. Hopefully 034 hopefully 034 releases some more B9 goodies for us, so we can do a few more videos, a few more modifications, and see what we could turn this car into.